You're watching TV9 Digital. I am Adarsh Webachedu. One big question that has been worrying scientists, researchers, and the public at large is whether the coronavirus vaccines under development will be able to deal with the new UK variant that is spreading its tentacles across the world. Well, there is some good news in this regard. Director General of ICMR Dr. Balram Bhargava has said that the COVID-19 vaccine Covaxin, indigenously developed by Bharat Biotech, will be able to deal with the UK variant as it targets all the proteins on the surface of the virus and not just one S-gen protein that has mutated.
Essentially, the Bharat Biotech vaccine or the made in India vaccine will have some advantage, potential advantage over other vaccines on this new strain because it's a whole virus and it targets all the proteins on the surface of the virus, not just one protein which has mutated, the S gene protein which has mutated, and therefore those vaccines which are targeting just the S gene may not work as well. But that is still scientific conjecture. We should not make any conclusions from that.
Not just that, Dr. Balram Bhargava said that the National Institute of Virology has successfully isolated the new variant and it will be tested against different vaccines. Now you must be wondering as to what an S-gen protein is and how it impacts vaccine development. Here is Dr. Sitesh Roy telling us in simple terms how this really works.
S-gen protein basically means the product of the spike protein gene that is the critical part of the SARS-CoV-2 virus entering into the human cells for causing an infection. Most vaccines around the world, the Moderna vaccine, the Pfizer vaccine, the AstraZeneca vaccine, focus on the spike protein and developing antibodies and cellular immunity response to the spike protein. The assumption that the Bharat Biotech Covaxin, which is an inactivated whole virus vaccine, and hence includes the proteins of what is called the envelope and the nucleocapsid, would provide a wider range of immune response and would hence protect better, is a theoretical possibility at this point because we do not have efficacy data of the Covaxin compared to the other vaccines that we have available responses to. So my suggestion at this point would be that we should wait for the exact data and then decide whether we can really say that this vaccine will be better at protecting against the virus than the other vaccines.
In a related development, the total number of people who have been infected with the new UK variant of coronavirus in India has risen to 38. The ICMR is hopeful that the Bharat Biotech vaccine will have some advantages over other vaccines as it is a whole virus. If you've liked the content that we presented to you, make sure you like and share this video. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to TV9 News on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Many thanks for joining us. Until next time.